Well, hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today we're cooking with Nancy. She's making ginger onion lobster. So good. And so we start off today with 3 freshly cut lobsters.
So this is lobster.
Lobster.
And at high temperature, we heat up our vegetable oil. And just to let you know, if you like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. And here we go with our fresh herbs and spices.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Then go the garlic.
About a tablespoon of garlic.
Then go the ginger.
About a 1/4 cup of ginger.
Then go the onion. The red onion.
About a small 1/4 cup of red onions.
And let it swim.
Stir it.
Stir it.
Stir it up and mix it good.
Until the aroma is incorporated. Put in 3 lobster cut up.
Time to throw in those fresh lobsters. Mix it up good. Let it swim in its juices. Nice aroma of spices and lobster fill the air.
Quarter cup of white wine.
1/4 cup white wine.
And cover it up to 15 minutes, keeping the temperature at medium high.
Medium high.
Medium high.
And after about 15 minutes, we open it up. Nice. Looks and smells so good. Stir and mix it up again. Get those juices and sauce to penetrate the lobster meat. Then we add a little oyster sauce,
Wow. Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
a little bit of pepper, and a dash of salt,
A little bit of salt, not very much, maybe half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. A little bit of Chinese cooking wine.
a little bit of Chinese cooking wine,
2 tablespoons of the sweet cooking rice seasoning.
and a little bit of sweet cooking rice seasoning.
Make sure you mix it up well.
And a little bit of sugar,
1 teaspoon of sugar. Let it sit in the sauce for a little bit to hang out.
Let it sit in the sauce for a little bit to hang out.
cup of water.
Half a cup of water.
Yeah, half a cup of water. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
And 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce.
1 teaspoon of oyster sauce in the
Mix
bowl.
them up
Mix it up a little.
and throw them in to thicken the sauce. Okay, turn off the heat.
Off the heat.
Add some onion,
Onions.
cilantro.
Cilantro. Turn it off already?
Yep. Turn off the heat.
Turn off the heat. Turn it right off.
Right on. Okay, all done. Ginger, onion, lobster.
And just like that, it's all done. Now it's ready to serve. Put it in Nancy's favorite decorative bowl. Oh yeah, get that sauce in there. That's so good on top of rice and on top of bread. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.
All right. Bon appetit.
And see you on the next video.